The first thing that you do is open the control center, enable airplane mode, then wait for few seconds and then disable the airplane mode. The other thing that you will do is take out the SIM card from the tray, clean it and then reinsert the SIM card again if it is a physical SIM. After that, the other thing that you will do is you will go to settings here, go to cellular data options, go to voice and data. So right now if you see 5G auto is selected, try to use 4G and check if this cellular network shows or not. Go back, go to network selection and disable this automatic option. Now after a few seconds you will see your phone will look for the cellular network provider and select the one which is yours. The other thing that we will do is we will go to settings here. We will go to this option privacy and security and we will go at the end to lockdown mode, and if lockdown mode is enabled, disable the lockdown mode by selecting this option turn off lockdown mode. Now select turn off and restart. You have to enter the passcode, and once your phone finishes restarting, the lockdown mode will be disabled. Now the next thing that we will do is we will go to settings here, we will go to general, go to software update and check if there is an update available. Now for me, my phone is already up to date to iOS 26.1. If not, update your phone and check if this cellular signal shows or not. The last thing to do is check your SIM card in another phone. Even if in another phone the SIM card is not working, then you need to replace your SIM card.